there were bunches of sound, warmed civil arguments, lead fashioner Julian Nunn says of how the DB11 Volante, favor represent convertible, was bundled. As it sits before us on an energetic winter morning in southern France, the British drop top has a smooth, armada look on account of the exquisite rake of its nose, the sharp circular segment of its roofline, and the rigid shapes of its derriere. Aston's architects nailed the extents. It's a shocker. How they arrived was a session of millimeters, beginning with a tiny lift of the rump to oblige the 8-layer collapsing delicate vest. To relax the look of those lifted surfaces, the wheel curves are faceted marginally inboard, loaning them more profundity and measurement. The convertible loses the air vent at the back, since there's no rooftop to make lift. In that capacity, the supposed AeroBlade highlight which conduits air through the C-column is additionally gone. Be that as it may, the back spoiler remains, naturally conveying for downforce with a speed-subordinate calculation in view of driving mode. The stature, that is, the vertical space involved by the collapsing rooftop, measures 10 inches, the most reduced in its class, which helps the DB11 accomplish its agile looks with the additional advantage of keeping the focal point of gravity low. The best takes 14 seconds to lower, and will drop at speeds up to 31 miles per hour. A Volante with its best down puts Aston's normally flawless lodge on full show, the entryway's probed calfskin subtle elements encompassed by an unrealistically formed facade encompass, the perplexing arch of the facade around the capacitive touch delicate infotainment interface, the unrealistically liberal swaths of cowhide and Alcantara upholstering the dashboard and A-column surfaces. There's even, out of the blue, facade on the backs of the front seats. The small back seats accompany ISFIX auto situate connections, a first in a Volante. I could go ahead about the DB11's abnormal and fascinating tasteful decisions, however I've additionally got a persevering problem with the electronic instrument group. In spite of the fact that it functions admirably, with an information-rich show and fresh designs, something is lost by relinquishing the gems of regular measures, particularly in the deserting of Aston's customary counterclockwise pivoting tachometer. In any case, there's additionally an evident uncommonness to the cockpit. Push the motor begin catch and bring the AMG-sourced 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 to life, and you'll see a modified ignition and fumes sound that, to a well-known ear, double-crosses its AMG starting points. The 503 horsepower, 513 pounds-to-foot process has lost its dry sump oiling framework, yet it's still torquey and smooth, pulling solid from low RPMs and charging hard as it achieves a delicate rev limiter at 7,200 revolutions per minute. Drop the best in Sport and Sport Plus modes and the motor note goes up against an extensively more forceful tone, yapping with unburnt fuel pops.